Hi guys, good morning. It is the day of Halloween. It is currently 9:43. Halloween day, and I just wanted to film this get ready with me. I am going to be Gir from Invader Zim, as you can tell. And yeah, I really want to do not the dog makeup, but a cyborg kind of makeup with a bunch of different blues, because that is going to match the mask that I will be wearing today. This is like I got this on Amazon in a 3-pack, I think 3 or 4-pack, but it's just a light blue with dark blue polka dots, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so I went and collected some palettes that I'm going to use, and I'm actually going to be using a lot of blue, so I'm going to be taking the only designated blue palette that I have and using the colors in here. So unfortunately I need to clean all of my brushes. They're all blue and purple stained, so that's just great. But of course first I have to go in with my MAC paint pot, because I really want this makeup to last like all day long, especially because I am going trick-or-treating with my roommate's son tonight. He's 4 years old. So originally I was gonna go to Fort Collins where my brother is so I can spend Halloween with him, but then he said that he wanted to come down for our parents' birthday so we could go out to dinner or something. But right now the state of Colorado, the entire state of Colorado, is on like a curfew of 10 o'clock. So that kind of sucks, but I could totally see why they're doing it. And it was enforced last night, so Halloween Eve. So this was like a part of their little plan to stop people from staying out too late on Halloween, or like keeping people social distancing and not going to parties. So I totally understand why they're doing it. But yeah, I was originally supposed to go up to Fort Collins to see him, and my costume was going to be a little bit different because I wasn't going to go trick-or-treating with a 4-year-old. I was going to like be wearing something a little bit more scandalous, and now I have to like make it PG-13. No, not even PG-13. I gotta keep it PG, essentially. So I was originally going to be wearing this black skirt that I got off of Shein with these Abaddon Starstruck shoes that I wanted ever since I was in elementary school. Not elementary school, that sounds so terrible. Ever since I was in middle school, so around like 7th grade, 8th grade, I wanted these shoes, and finally like I got the shoes, I want to say the year I graduated. So a little bit after I graduated high school, I got these shoes, and I just love these shoes so much. Like, they're so cute. I think I'm gonna go into the color Blue I honestly have no idea what I want to be doing. I'm gonna go into the color Blue Monday just to start off with a Morphe M431 brush. And I think I want to do a half cut crease. Should I do a half cut crease or a full crease? No, I'm gonna do a half cut crease. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, my original plan was to go up to Fort Collins to be with him and like hang out, maybe even like hang out with some people that I know, you know, just catch up, meet up with them. But yeah, that cannot happen anymore because of the curfew. And then he changed his mind. He was gonna come down here so he could be with us for our parents' birthday, because my dad is born at the end of October and my mom is born the first week of November. So they're both Scorpios, and my brother and I are born on the exact same day, 4 years apart. I want to say like 12 minutes apart. something like that. So he and I are both Aries. So 2 Scorpios, 2 Aries living in the same house. Lord help us, you know. But yeah, that was the original plan. The original plan was for me to go up there, and then he changed his mind and wanted to come down here, and now we're not doing any of it. He's not coming down there. I'm not going up there, obviously, or else I would have already been on my way, because it's like a 2.5, maybe 3-hour drive, depending on the traffic. So yeah, all of that changed because apparently the university, their whole plan to get kids to not go out and party for Halloween is to just give them like a crap ton of homework this weekend. That's like their plan, I guess. So at least that's just how I interpreted it. I know that he's homesick and I miss him too. Like it's just sad because like he and I have always been close. We've always had to share almost everything, you know, because he's a boy and I'm a girl. But we've always had like joint birthday parties, and like I want to say up until I was in middle school we shared a room, and you know, we just shared everything, and I feel like that's made us closer. And I love him because of that, you know, like he's literally one of my best friends. I love that kid so much. He's great, you know. So he's homesick. We miss him too. So we were really looking forward to seeing him. And it's kind of like a downer, a disappointment that he isn't here. But yeah, I want to show him my makeup look because he like made the sweetest comment on one of my recent Instagram posts. He said something along the lines of like, oh, my sister is like the best at these makeup challenges, and I'm just like, aw, he does watch. You know? So yeah, we miss him. We wish he were here, but you know, he got to do what he got to do, and you know, we can only respect that, you know, and wish that he is doing great things up there, you know. So after I did a half cut crease, I'm going into the color Entitled, which is this like icy light blue, and I'm taking a Morphe M456 brush. I gotta like walk you guys through the steps while I'm rambling on, you know. And I gotta find a color that's gonna be really good at blending these two together, because that is a huge stark difference right now. And I'm also going to be going back in with Blue Monday and darkening up the outer parts because it kind of got washed away almost. And then my favorite coffee place ever is having exclusive Halloween stickers. So I might take like a half-hour drive just to go up there just to have a freaking coffee, because Dutch Brothers is way better than Starbucks. I'm just saying. I'm sorry, Starbucks, love you and everything, but Dutch Brothers is like my #1, you know? A lot of people ask me what I drink because it's like such a vivid dark green, and it's just water mixed with matcha powder and vanilla syrup. And it is really good. I think it tastes really good, at least. Some people tell me that like they think it tastes like a leaf, and I'm like, whatever. So I'm going in with another Morphe M456 brush, a different one. And no, I should go in with the same one. What am I doing? And I'm going in with Ice Tray and seeing if that will make any bit of difference in regards to a transition. Oh yeah, I think that it's like a nice darker version. It's still a cool color. Like all of these are cool colors because they're, you know, blue. But it's just a darker, icy version of that, and I feel like it's gonna be really good. Yeah, we definitely need to go back in with Blue Monday because it's just getting washed out, you know? So I wanted blue. Blue is my 6-month-old, no, He's 7 months now. Okay, so Blue is my 7-month-old German short-haired pointer. And he is so cute. He's so cute. I wanted him to kind of correlate with me and dress up for Halloween as well. This is like one of the only times that I would ever dress up my dog. I'm just not into that, you know what I mean? Like, if you are, good for you. But like Halloween and Christmas, you know, with a sweater or something to keep warm are the only 2 instances where I would ever like dress up my dog. So he's dressed up as a taco because girl loves tacos and I really want him to take a picture with me for Instagram. So I'm going in with that exact same brush and going into Deceased, which I feel like is gonna be a good transition, hopefully, we'll see. Do you think this is too dramatic? I'm like, should I tone it down? I'm not sure. Like, looks really good though. I'm so happy with it. I'm gonna with Blue Monday again because I want to darken up the outside. Like a lot. Alright, well I feel like I'm gonna clean this up a little bit later on because I just want to get like a really nice straight edge on both of these. And I feel like this one is more curved than this one, but whatever, we can fix all of that much later. I feel honestly like a snow queen, like an ice queen or something. This haircut, like, oh yeah, by the way, I cut my hair, I want to say, how long ago was it? Almost a week ago. I cut my hair on Sunday and it's currently Saturday. So I cut my hair almost a week ago and I honestly feel like Gail Weathers from Scream, like the first Scream. You know, when she had that short haircut and everything, except for the tone is different. But I really like it. I think it looks really cute and a lot of people are telling me like, oh, it fits on you, you look real sassy, and I'm just like, I like it. So, oh yeah, and I wanted to explain my earrings as well. The earrings are flames. I got them off of Shein and I wanted to put in the flame earrings because of a line from Invader Zim, the movie on Netflix, where he builds Zim that giant chair that shoots out flames and peanuts, and he mixes up the flame button and the peanut button, and yeah, I just thought it was really cute. Yeah, so now I'm going to be going in with my favorite angled brush. This is a Morphe E62. I'm going in with, I want to say it's called Coleman, I don't know. I'm not sure honestly. But I love the angled brush just for like my brow bone kind of area, and I like that it's so icy. Yeah, I figured I would get ready for Halloween out here and film a video, 2 birds with 1 stone situation. So now I'm going to be mixing that same Coleman kind of like diamond white color with this rose gold crystal flesh. I'm putting that right in the inner corner of our eye. And we do this not just to make like a frosty kind of look or anything, but we do this to make our eyes look whiter. Not whiter, whiter. Okay, so I think I'm done with the Blue Blood palette. I'm not 100% sure, but we shall see. But I really want to go into this color in the Alien palette called Probe, and it's this kind of metallic-y, dark metallic-y, bluish green, and I want to put that on, and I want to put that on my lower lash line, but I really want to do the rest of my face makeup first, so I'm just going to skip ahead a few minutes so we can save on time. You guys don't need to like see me do a fast forward thing of, no, I'm just going to do a time lapse, honestly. And I'm going to be watching James Charles' new video doing my best friend's Halloween makeup with a bunch of people from TikTok.
His face, okay, basically just accentuating like any...
Okay, so I am back. I put on eyeliner, mascara. I'm going to be putting on my lashes off camera, but I just wanted to hop on here with a Morphe M506 brush, going into the Alien palette and dusting Probe on my lower lash line. And I'm only going from the outside of the eye to like the midpoint, honestly. Yeah, I think that's good. It has like kind of little speckles of green in there. So in a way it kind of ties in with my outfit, kind of. Not really. Well, it's such a contrast, like him being silver and blue and then his dog outfit costume being like green. And then I have on some purple leggings. I don't know if you could see that, but I have on my blue Vans just to match my makeup. But my purple leggings because purple is just a constant color in Invader Zim. Oh, alright, so I'm gonna pop on my lashes and meet you guys back here for the lips. And I really want to do a nude, neutral kind of lip just because we have so much going on up in the eye area. So yeah, I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Okay, so I just ran inside because I didn't have either of these lip colors out here. So I just want to explain how I got to this look. My roommate really likes it. It's kind of like a mauve-y kind of color. So what I did was I started out with just regular chapstick. Then I put on, like, this is my holy grail. I love this liquid lipstick. It is the Lolita by KVD Beauty. And I love this lip. It's like the perfect neutral nude for me, at least, and I love it so much. This is like a holy grail for me, especially when I'm doing a crazy eye. I love it. And then over top of that I went in with Soul Sucker, and it looks exactly how it sounds. Like there's little flecks of orange in there, and if I zoom in on my lips during editing, that's what you can see is little kind of like flecks of orange glitter on my lips, and it's kind of like a mauve-y kind of gray. But yeah, this is the finished, completed look. I hope you all have a wonderful Halloween. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and go check out my podcast, Colorado Health Coach, if you're interested in everything health and wellness related, because fun fact, I am a certified health and life coach. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh yeah, and comment down below what you're doing this Halloween season because of COVID. I'm sure everyone's plans have changed.